everyone, and welcome back to
Video. Today we are at 57 Express Car Wash in Anaheim.
And we're right here at Anaheim, and we are at the car wash right now. So we just need to wait in line for this car to move.
Here are all the washes here.
Look, so Aiden, can you read them, please?
It says,
Okay, guys, we're here.
I just wanted to...
Okay, so guys, we are.
So guys, what's different about Belanger Car Wash? What's different about this than Belanger Car Wash is that they're gonna pressure wash the front of the car for us. Neutral.
Wow, guys, look
Look at that, they're pressure washing
look
it.
what those men are doing. They're pressure washing it.
They're pressure washing the front of our car for us, which is pretty nice to start us through. Thank you to these people who are pressure washing our car. That's very nice of you. Look at that, guys. They're pressure washing the back
The
of our car.
extreme speed.
We got the extreme wash. First time going through this car wash.
Car in neutral.
Foot off
Hands
the brake.
off. Wheel.
Foot off the brake.
brake.
Wipers off, too.
Wipers off.
Okay, here we go.
Excited for this? Are you excited for this car wash, Mommy? Here comes the soap! Alright, guys, here comes the soap and the brushes!
Wow, guys, look at all the colorful lights.
Look at all these colors.
These are beeping. I don't know why. Wait, can you tell them?
It's because it's censoring something is in front of the car.
Wow, it's so colorful in the car. It's like a disco.
Like a disco light show. Look at that, we got more soap. Look at all these brushes. There's another brush. Look at this brush here. This is so cool.
Wow, the screen is completely covered in soap. The screen is look.
Windshield.
Look at the windshield.
Oh my God, guys, look! Rainbow soap! We got the guys, look at that! We got the rainbow wax! It's rainbow! Look at that!
Guys, it's disco.
Colors.
It's disco.
It's like a disco light show in here! Wow! What do we
And
have
here
here?
comes the high pressure rinse.
No, it's the spot-free rinse. Spot-free rinse, we got the clear coat, it looks like. It looks like we got the clear coat. Spot-free rinse.
Is the bird poop at the